How to back up KakaoTalk chats. In this guide, I'll be showing you how you can back up KakaoTalk chats. So let's get started. First, open KakaoTalk application on your device. Now once you are logged in, tap on this more icon right here. Now in the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. Here scroll down until you see chats. This is right here, tap on chats. Right, you can also tap on this temporary chat backup, tap on it and tap on chat backup, and you can just set up password to encrypt your backed up data. Now enter the password and tap on next. In this way you can back up the KakaoTalk chats. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.